Hello everyone. This week is part 4 of Davey's return to full health. He's been down a long road after dislocating his kneecap, and I hope you enjoy his update. Cheers. So Davey's now week 10 post right kneecap dislocation. He's really enjoying himself because he's able to run successfully and he's doing a lot of high load with Iron Armour. He just got back from a 3-day camp at Recon, and one of the biggest struggles that Davey's going to find is he does still need to put the brakes on. So we want a little bit of running, but not too much, because we don't want the kneecap to be jostling around. And the big thing that we find if he is overdoing it is he gets a lot of aching pain, okay? Inflammatory pain, which we've got to try and keep an eye on. Good, try it again. Okay, now try the other. Okay, good, and then creep back. Good, and keep going until either your heel gets off the ground or your knee can't get to the wall. Good, keep closing. Lower down, stand up. Try it again. Okay, looks pretty good. Wide split lunge, pushing the knee outward. Good.